Okay, so it's still raining, but I couldn't like. I'm too hyper to wait for the rain to stop. I just want to show you this. Come on, go up. This fountain actually goes very, very, very high. Yeah, another statue. Oh, there she goes. Yeah, okay. Let's go to the park. And then home, cause I'm freezing. Probably get sick. Okay, here we go. In the rain again. In the water. Making a mess of myself. Yeah, I'm gonna find a place to wait out the rain. It's too much. Hadi. This is the park. Can't really see it very well because of all the rain. It's raining really hard, babe. It's like, oh my god, I'm soaking wet. Yeah, I wish you were here. Be all wet and wet. So I won't be the only one freezing. Okay, we're going somewhere. Jesus. Rain can't give me a fucking break. Okay, change my mind. I'm already wet, so it doesn't really matter. I'll show you this bridge here. Yeah, remember this one? I'll give you a close-up. Remember this bridge? Yeah, look at me, I'm fucking wet. This is the bridge where crazy people jump. Yeah. How do you like me all wet and stuff, huh? Yeah, so don't be freaked if you see me doing shit like this. I'm just this way. I don't really give a shit about getting wet or dirty or wherever. I just want to have fun. Shit, this is awesome. Seriously, you should be here. Oh my god. The park. Yeah, kind of nice. Full of people most of the time. Right now it's raining like hell, so yeah, some people are looking at me really funny, like security or something. They see me walking in the rain with a camera. Riding, by the way. I'm a freak. Yeah, you love me, I know. Oh my god. Can't pass through there. Let's turn around. Yeah, or maybe I can. Ampon, just take pakolo. Fucking crazy. Oh my god, look at this. It's like a flood. The streets are flooded. It's crazy. What else should I show you? Now that I'm all wet and the rain stopped. Yeah, I'm going to head home. Because you're probably waiting for me. Would be awesome if when I post this on YouTube and people will be like, who the fuck are you talking to? Yeah. Oh shit, a car just got me all wet. I'm already wet, so. But this is dirty water coming all over the place. Oh shit. This is the second time I get all my clothes wet again. I have to change again. Seriously. Yeah, it's so much water and the road here is very, very bad. Full of holes and stuff, and I can't see shit because it's covered with like this. It's like a small river here. Can you see this? I can't see shit. Oh hell. Yeah, I got it. Damn. Yeah. This is basically my city. The nice part. Because the rest is like just boring. There are a few more, but I could show you a few more sites, but they're like far. And probably another day, because right now I'm cold. I'm going home. just put the phone in my mouth. Yeah, because I had to shift. Yeah, I'm wet, I'm cold, I just want to come home to you, okay? Yeah, I just the camera got blurry. Okay. My phone is all wet. This is called riding on bad weather in fucking Romania. Turda. Fucking bullshit. I thought it will be sun, but it's actually cold, wet, rain, all of that. Yeah, I kind of live at the edge of the city. Yeah, the road is awful when it rains, there's mud everywhere. So it's pointless to clean my bike. It rains a lot these days, it's raining a lot. So is mud all day long, all week, probably all fucking month. Okay, here we are. So, see you.